Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're checking out a product that promises to make your eyes pop with precision and longevity, the blinc Eyeliner Pencil in brown. It's a mechanical gel pencil with a built-in sharpener designed to be waterproof, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and ultra-long wearing. Plus, it's clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. The blinc Eyeliner Pencil comes in a creamy, matte formula that's enriched with antioxidants and vitamins, which are supposed to help firm and condition the delicate skin around your eyes. It's a mechanical pencil, so you don't need to worry about sharpening it with an external sharpener, and the built-in sharpener is a neat feature for keeping the tip precise. At 0.5 grams, it's compact, travel-friendly, and ideal for daily use. When I tested this pencil, the first thing I noticed was how smooth it glides across the lash line. The pigmentation is rich and consistent, giving a solid matte brown line that didn't tug at all. I tried it during a full day of wear, including running errands and a quick workout, and I was impressed. No smudging, no fading, no transfer onto my eyelid or under eye area. The waterproof claim holds up well, even when my eyes got a little misty during a walk in the rain. One thing to note is that it takes just a moment to warm up on the skin for a perfectly even line, which is common for gel-based pencils. I really like that the pencil feels comfortable and lightweight, and the built-in sharpener keeps it precise without the mess of a separate sharpener. The packaging is sleek and minimal, and the pencil itself is sturdy, so it won't break in your makeup bag. On the flip side, because it's a gel formula, it can wear down faster if you're someone who presses hard or likes a very thick line. Also, the compact size means it will run out sooner than a larger pencil, but that's a trade-off for portability. In terms of value, this pencil is priced higher than some drugstore alternatives, but the combination of long wear performance, skin conditioning ingredients, and clean vegan formulation makes it feel justified. Compared to other high-end eyeliners I've tried, blinc stands out for its smudge-proof durability and the added benefits of antioxidants and vitamins, which isn't something you see in most gel pencils. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative that still performs well, you could consider other drugstore gel pencils. But be aware, they might not have the same staying power or skin-nourishing ingredients. For those who prioritize clean beauty and long-lasting wear, this is definitely a strong contender. Overall, blinc has delivered a product that combines precision, comfort, and durability. It's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, everyday eyeliner that won't budge and also cares about clean, cruelty-free beauty. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. You can find the link to purchase the blinc Eyeliner Pencil in the description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I love hearing what works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.